Welcome. Just so you know, I only have one firework left. Hey, give me that back.
Guys, I got it.
Nice.
3, 2,
1.
1. Happy New Year! Wait, who are you?
Welcome, contestants.
Contestants?
Contestants, you will be competing for free fireworks.
Cool. Now I won't have to steal fireworks every year.
You stole me?
No.
Okay. Okay, so let's form teams. Oh. With that out of the way, cue the intro.
What's happening? I wasn't paying attention.
Your first challenge will be a race. Choose a designated racer.
Alright, guys. Here's the plan. I will get into cannon. Once I am inside, Matchbox will light cannon. And I will win.
Sure, let's do it.
How about you race, sis? Ready, set, go!
Okay, let's do it like we talked about.
Well, Team 1 lost, so